A very pleasant morning to my dear student. Today we are going to discuss about the next module of the chapter manufacturing industry, and today we will discuss about the agro based industry. My dear student, agro based industry means the industry which got the raw material from agriculture. Now let's start our content that is related to textile industry. My dear student, you know it very well. Indian textile occupies a unique position in Indian economy because it contributes significantly to the industrial production also, employment generation also, even that bring the foreign exchange in our country. Even textile industry is the only industry in our country which is self-reliant in itself because it complete the value chain means from raw material to highest value added product. Now the next industry is here cotton textile industry. My dear student, in ancient India, the cotton textile were produced with the hand spinning, but by the time of development in the 18th century, powerloom came our country, and that is having a completely setback during this time because Indian cotton textile is having a stiff competition with the mill-made cloth that is import from England. But in early years, cotton textile industry was concentrated in the areas of Maharashtra and Gujarat, and the reason behind is their availability of raw material, closeness to the market, even the transport facility and a good climatic condition. Even this industry support to the another industry also because chemical, dyeing, packaging material, engineering work is also included in this industry. But my dear student, this industry is also having a tough competition means this industry is having a lot of challenge because Indian machineries are outdated and power supply is also our biggest challenge. But India exports yarn to Japan and other importers of cotton goods from India are USA, UK, Russia, France and East European country, Nepal, Singapore and Sri Lanka also. My dear student, India has a larger share of cotton textile industry in the world trade. Even our spinning mill is having a lot of tough competition. Now the next industry, and the next industry is here jute textile. My dear student, India is the largest producer of raw jute and the jute goods, and it stands at the second place as the exporter after Bangladesh. My dear student, most of the jute industry are concentrated on the banks of Hooghly River, and the reason behind is here availability of the water because jute need a lot of water. Even the good network of the transportation means roadways, railways and waterways that facilitate the movement of raw material to the mills also. Even that is having the cheap labor. But this industry is also facing a stiff competition in the international market from the synthetic fiber. Even that is having the biggest challenge that is the erratic power supply. Even the machineries are outdated. The main markets of Indian jute are USA, Canada, Ghana, Saudi Arabia, UK and Australia. But this time jute industry is gaining the popularity because of eco-friendly in nature. Now the last industry that is the sugar industry, and India stands second as the world producer of sugar but occupies the first place in the production of good and khansari. But this industry is having a lot of challenge. The biggest challenge is here that industry is seasonal in nature. Even in sugar mills, the machines are old and outdated. We are having inefficient method of production also, and sometimes delay in the transportation, and these are the biggest challenge of sugar industry. I think you have understood the concept. Thank you and have a nice day.